Hey foodies, welcome to my mommy's channel. Today we're going to bake cookies for my friends. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you. Bye.
We made 37 yummy cookies, but we're 23 in our class. The remaining 14 cookies are for my brothers and I. You need to try this recipe, it's so yummy. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. Add 500 grams of butter. Add 160 grams of white sugar. Add 160 grams of brown sugar. Mix just a little. Still need the butter to be rough. Add 300 grams of self-rising flour. In another 300 grams of flour. Add 4 teaspoons of baking powder and 4 teaspoons of baking soda, and add it in your batter little by little. Mix, mix, mix. Whisk 4 eggs. Add your white and dark chocolate chips. And add the eggs. Your batter is ready now. We are going to measure the dough to get a particular size. When you're done molding the cookie dough, wrap it up and put it in the freezer for 1 hour or overnight. Our yummy cookies are ready! It's yummy and tastes delicious too. I'm so proud of myself for making these cookies. I packed it up neatly for my friends to enjoy.
These are the cookies that I made for my friends. Yummy. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more of my videos, let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.